This was our question. Uh, the tendency of human beings to copy one another is shown in the popularity of areas such as fashion and consumer goods. So, as I broke down the question to you yesterday also, so let me tell you again, as in what it is about. Um, So yeah, so if I just make it a bit more mathematical, it's something like this. Tendency is directly proportional to maybe
Popular.
popularity. So,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yes, I was like saying the same thing that the
Yeah.
popularity.
So now, as in, since you have been through the band descriptors and all, so I won't delve into those things. So about how to actually deal with an extent agree disagree essay. Let's get to that straight away. So first of all, you should not pressurize yourself into thinking about a particular position. As in, you do not have to do anything. You do not have to agree. You do not have to disagree. You do not have to go the partial way. You do not have to go anyway. It's your brain that will decide like what position you have to choose, and that's perfectly fine. So what I normally do is that uh, I try to find out three ways, three reasons, or 3 points related to the question. There can be three agreement points. There can be three disagreement points. There can be one agreement, two disagreement points. There can be two agreement, one disagreement point. Actually, the thing is that I go with at least, not even at least, but just 3 points, because with 2 points it's difficult to cover 250 words, and with four I think it's just a waste of time because we have to complete task one also. So 3 points is a perfect number, as in three is a perfect number for your number of ideas. So what I'm trying to say here is that let's make it simple first. Sakshi, I
Sir, I
ask
have
you
a
a
doubt.
question. Sorry,
Uh, Actually, I have a doubt.
go ahead.
So there are two type of essay. One essay is at what to what extent do you agree or disagree, or do you agree simply. एक ऐसे होता है जिसमें सिर्फ ये लिखा होता है that are you agree or disagree. So what is the difference between these two? There is a one word extent. So
No difference between the two at all.
okay. Like
Fine, no
I
difference.
heard or I read some from somewhere, like if there is an extent word, so you have to like write like this that I'm totally agree or I'm totally disagree or I'm partially agree or partially disagree kind of a thing. And if there is a only agree or disagreement kind of a thing, so you have to write only I disagree or I agree. So is it true or not? I'm not really know about this thing.
It's whatever you said was completely wrong. There's no
Okay.
difference between to what extent do you agree or disagree, and do you agree or disagree, I say. So be very chilled about that. And about that, there's another form to this also. What is your opinion?
Mm-hmm.
That is also something very similar. If I went about showing you the proof right now, as in that also I got through the IDP website only, the difference between the two. If I went about showing you the proof, it will again waste time. So trust me on this. You do not
Okay.
need to worry about the difference between the two. They are the same.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Okay. So I wanted to clear that point out to you. Um, which one I was saying, as in what ideas come to your mind should be your weapons. Okay. So Sakshi, I ask you this question. Salman Khan is good looking. Do you agree or disagree? Now you have to find 3 points. Okay, now since this question is very simple, you do not have to brainstorm. Ideas will pop up in your mind just like that. So see what ideas come to your mind. As in Salman, you have to find reasons. As in what points come to your mind. There should be reasons for them also. So Salman Khan is good looking. Do you agree or disagree?
Mhm. Okay. So I'm agree with this point.
Hmm.
Yes,
You agree
because
with this? Yeah.
yes, because of his physical structure, and he's
One
physically
second.
fit,
Hmm.
and her physique. Second thing, beauty is not about the physique; it's also an intellectual abilities.
Does he have that?
Yes.
Okay, so the
I
second
I
point is
personally
IQ.
believe that he like he doesn't have all these things, but yes, if I have a more point for the agreement, so I prefer to write agreement rather than disagreement, because in the disagreement I don't have such a very long or very brief to
No, no,
discuss
no.
something.
You have to come with your, as in you have to let your brain think about things. No, you do not have this pressure that you have to agree. As I'm telling you, as in just write down what points come to your mind. That's why I've simplified it to such an easy level that we are talking about an actor right now. So if I say that he's what was the essay? I think
Salman
handsome.
Khan
Did I
is
say?
looking beautiful.
So yeah, as in he's
Salman Khan is
handsome. Do you,
beautiful. Yes.
so so you said as in one point is that because his physique is good, he's
Yes.
handsome. This is a perfectly fine point. What other
Yes.
what other things make you think that Salman Khan is handsome?
So my like because of his height, it's not we can say not much, but yes, it's like good or
That comes
better.
under physique. That comes under his
Yeah,
physique.
that's the color is also comes into physique, body color, or
I think as in whatever is about the body would be covered under this
yes, as a
category.
physique. Yes, yes, that's why I'm. So that's why I took the next point that the physique is on not about the beauty. That he is also an intellectual person.
So yeah, the second point is that you find him handsome and attractive because he has a high degree of IQ. Super point. So the second point came to your mind. This one, you have to find one other.
And third is the dressing sense. He has a good taste
Perfectly
of
fine. Perfectly
yes.
fine. So see, you allowed your brain to think, and it came up with three ideas. It could have been one disagreement also, but it's okay. As in, since the first three ideas that came to your mind were all agreement ideas, and since you could explain them, it was perfectly fine to go with these 3 points and state as in as in I completely agree with this statement. And then you could have taken one point at a time in a paragraph. You could have explained it, and you could have supported it with an example, and that would have been a nearly perfect essay. Fine. Have you gotten what
Yes,
I've
sir.
tried to explain?
Yes, yes, sir.
So here also, you will not burden yourself with something that you have to be on a middle ground, or you have to be on something negative or positive. Think whatever comes to your mind. Now take your time and find 3 points related to this essay, and then we'll move.
Okay.
And just to appease you, just to satisfy you, I try to find that difference video till the time you think about the things.
Okay. Okay. So, like,
Yeah.
we have to, yes, so we have to, speak about this. The tendency of human beings to copy one another is shown in the popularity of area. So, why the people are copying or imitating each other, right?
No, no. I'll explain it to you again once. Now be very attentive to what I'm gonna say. Okay. Now let's take it one step at a time. The popularity of areas such as fashion and consumer goods. So there are certain areas that are becoming popular. When does a thing become popular?
Because of their demand.
Because they are being sold at a very grand scale. Okay, they are,
Yes.
you know, they are maybe they are getting sold like hot pancakes or something. So now since they are being sold, they are popular. Now the tendency of human beings to copy one another is shown in the popularity of areas such as fashion and consumer goods. So, since humans want to copy one another, that is why such things are popular. They want to copy one another, that is why they buy such things, and that is why things become popular. So, do you agree with this thing? As in, they want to copy one another, that is why they buy such things.
Not fully agree.
No, no, no. As in, have you understood the question first?
Mm-hmm. Yes, I
Now think,
understood the. Mhm.
now think about 3 points. As in,
Okay.
I also try to find three. Okay, don't look at the screen till then.
May I?
One sec, let me think about 3 points and then I'll ask you, okay? I'll have to justify things. Give me 2 minutes. Okay, since this essay has two subcategories, fashion and consumer goods, I think I'll be able to make a 250 word essay with two ideas only. But first, I would need your points.
Okay, so first, why the human are like trying to imitate each other to just stand or just to match the level of society or
Hmm.
society status, first of
Hmm.
all. So that's why they are running or they are like trying to copy each other. And the second
Hmm.
thing, they want to impress their companion as well
Hmm.
by just getting these brand things or just showing their this financial status kind of a thing. And the third thing is like no doubt because of the quality of these products are far better than the local products, so that's why they are trying they are buying such products because of their long lifespan. So with
Hmm.
these 3 points, I think I will agree with this essay, and I would just wrap this.
You didn't understand the question. Let me retry. There are two humans. Okay, they want to copy one another, and that is why sales increase and things become brands become popular. So is it so? As in because people want to copy one another, uh, that the sales increase and all. I tell you how to do. As in, you have given some points regarding why people want to copy one another, and some
Yes,
points regarding. First of all, there is no brand over here, so there's no comparison of the national produce and the international produce. It is just fashion area, not a fashion brand here. So that was also wrong. Now understand what I'm gonna say. I will disagree with this thing. Why? See, first of all, popularity is a very big domain. If something has to become popular, it has to be known by very many people. As in, if in India we have X people, the thing should be known by at least 33% of this X to be popular. For instance, Zara. Okay, now Zara is a brand that is, I think, if I have 10 people, I think 7 people will know about it. Fine. Saki, do you understand me?
yes, sir.
So popularity is a very big domain, and in order for a thing to become popular, very many people have to know about it. Now, that is not possible because of the copying thing, because a very small section of people are actually um, excited by this fact that because this person has that thing, I should have it also, because there are many constraints in our lives, money, then other as in expenditures and all those things. So there are very few lucky people who have this capacity that they can imitate every aspect of their maybe opponent or something. So since very few people can do this, that because they want to copy others, they are going to buy a thing, and that thing is going to become popular because of the sales. So I disagree with this one, because not many people are going to copy one another in order, by buying things. And since they're not going to buy, since not many people are going to buy things, things are not going to become popular. So this is not shown in the popularity aspect to a very large extent. Understood, or should I repeat? As in, maybe it's a bit difficult.
Bit of it, part of it, not fully, but yes.
See, as I said, things become popular. Okay, I'll take an example here. So there's this ice cream brand. It is going to become popular. When will it become popular? When many people know it. Okay,
Yes,
when it's well known. Well known means if in an area we have about 1,000 people, at least I would suppose 700 will know about this brand. Only then can I say no. So say no, it's popular. If only 100 people out of 1000 know, then it's not popular at all. Clear up to this point, Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Now, since many people know it, as in it has become popular because its sales are more. One sec, Sakshi, there's someone at the door. Sakshi, I have no compulsion regarding this. If you want me to speak in Hindi or Punjabi, I can go to that to explain the facts to you. Should
No,
I?
no, it's like I'm convenient with this language, English, no issues.
No, no, no doubting your talent. As in, it might be that because of my language barriers, I'm not able to explain it to the fullest.
No, not exactly, but that I truly understand everything.
So, as in, it is going to become well known when it is known and it when it's known to many people. Okay, when it's known to a majority, and when its sales are a lot. When things are popular, when they are sold a lot. When is a film hit? When it's when many tickets related to it are sold, or when is a brand popular? When many people buy it. Do you get me?
Yes, sir.
So if I say this ice cream brand is going to become popular, that means at least 700 people will buy it
Exactly.
approximately. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now the question says, because people want to copy one another and not that they have needs regarding that, because I want to copy him, he eats this ice cream and he eats that ice cream, we want to copy one another, we buy this thing in large quantities. That is why it becomes well known, and that is why its popularity increases. So our tendency to copy one another leads to the popularity of the ice cream brand.
Yes, it might be one factor, but not exactly.
This is what the question is. As in, the
Exactly.
question says, the tendency of human beings to copy one another, because we want to copy one another, that is why such areas become popular. So just because we want to copy one another, we buy things and make make uh, such areas popular. Is that so?
No.
So this was the question. Have you understood it now?
Yes, sir.
So do you think you were wrong earlier regarding your points?
Yes, sir.
So rethink about it and let's come up with some good points. Okay, I have given you some points, as in let me explain them to you. So I disagree with this point. Why? Sorry, I'm gonna erase all this. I say no. Just because we want to copy one another, it doesn't lead to the popularity of such things. Why? Because popularity is a very big domain. Very many people need to know about a thing for it to become popular. But just because we want to copy one another, we do not buy things. There's a very small. Okay, Sakshi, how many people do you know who will buy a thing just because they want to copy some person? Let's take you
Not
only.
not copy ordinary one, but yes, some people mostly in the like if we say that the people are copying the celebrities, not ordinary people.
Okay, let's say, as in, suppose you have 100 people in your domain. How many of them will go and buy things just because they want to copy someone?
Most probably 10 or 20, not more than this.
Let's take the middle figure 15. Okay. So if 15 people, because they are going to, as in, because they want to copy one another. They are going to buy a thing. Do you think just 15 people can make a thing popular? Majority are not going.
Not
Do you understand
exactly.
them?
Yes, yes, sir.
So no, just because we want to copy one another, we can't make a thing popular. So I that is why I disagree with this.
Hmm. And if,
Now,
like,
yeah.
on the other hand, if we want to agree, so how we can agree with this point?
Why do you want to agree? As in that is the problem. No, why do you have to agree? Because uh my knowledge says, my experiences say I do not agree with this. Why do I have to agree with it? Why should I go against my I would say IQ? Why should I go against my why should I challenge myself first of all? Because I have a solid reason for the disagreement. Why would I panic myself as in
No, no,
regard
sir,
to this
not
then?
exactly. What I'm saying is like sometime when we are like, this is with me, like sometime I'm sitting in an exam, okay? So on that
Mhm.
time I was like, I'm not able to judge my that time the IQ or that the natural trend. I'm like, कि चल मेरे को ये वाला ठीक लग रहा है point, so that I have to go with this thing. उस time by chance in my mind there is an agreement, no disagreement. So like how we can agree this point if like anyhow because
I
there is an
yeah,
option, yes.
yes. Sorry, complete your point. I don't want to. I
Yeah,
want to get it out of you.
that's the thing I'm saying. If there is an option that there is this, because we all have our the thinking capability under something like this. अगर उस
Mhm.
टाइम पे just for a like for a minutes or for a like seconds I thought कि नहीं मुझे agreement पे ही लिखना है and I discussed these points as an agreement. So these
Mhm.
points were wrong because of the agreement. So how we can convert into disagree to agreement because आई लाइक
Mhm.
पता नहीं बस मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम मतलब कि डिसएग्री
Yeah,
इज द
yeah.
परफेक्ट वे यस बट अगर एग्रीमेंट की तरफ ही हमें लेके जाना हो तो अगर ये पॉइंट्स गलत हैं मतलब इफ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू द राइट वे राइट डायरेक्शन सो व्हाट वुड बी द राइट डायरेक्शन अगर इसी को ही अगर हम एग्रीमेंट में लेके जाना चाहते हैं जस्ट फॉर द लाइक कि थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस के पर्पज की वजह से कि दैट व्हाई आई एम थिंकिंग रॉन्ग व्हाई आई एम नॉट एबल टू कैच एग्जैक्टली व्हाट दे आस्क्ड. So this is the actual concern. That's it, not anything else.
So, first of all, you do not have to panic so much because IELTS evaluation is one of the worst things I've seen in my life. They are not very, I would say, meticulous. I'm talking about the Indian checkers. I'm not sure. As in, I got a 6.5 in my writing, but then I applied for evaluation and I got a 7.5, as in my school when it went to Australia and all. The second thing, the problems you are facing are because of the coaching culture. As in, ordinarily what happens is that two essays a day, two task ones a day, two readings a day, two listenings a day, 9 to 6 classes. That is the commercialization that has killed the essence of this exam. Have you ever seen a teacher who will spend 35 minutes? We have been in the class for 35 minutes. Who will spend 35 minutes just explaining the statement in your
Not
IELTS? As in, my way of teaching is to make you solid from the foundation. My way of teaching is not that I have to cover 1 month and syllabus and all. I need you to know the right things. I need you. How can you be able to do so in the real exam? By practicing. I do not burden people with writing one these things every day, and I'm not gonna do so with you also. I need to make you confident about your skills. I need to make you know things. I need you to know things. I need you to be capable enough that whatever essay comes in your, comes in front of you, you are able to do it, rather than being skeptical about your own talent. That okay, I see a question, I become confused, and I am not, just tell me a way to manipulate the essay. If you are going to manipulate the essay, if you are going to take it into another direction, then you are actually asking me for maybe poison. So I don't want to, as in, do this thing. Just tell me a thing to, as in, you are saying, um I don't want to burn this dead body, just tell me a way to make it alive. That is not possible, and that is something I cannot do also, Sakshi. And I apologize for
mhm.
that. I cannot give you anything that is going to
No, sir, not
maybe.
like that. Hmm.
I can spend the next 1 hour explaining the statement to you, but I can tell you something that is going to be wrong first of all, and that is going to be something impure, that you can do this and this essay will change, because that is not going to happen. And since you are going to pay for IELTS general training, you have to be very right in regard to what you are writing. Then comes the grammar, then comes the vocabulary.
Right,
I
sir.
need you to understand what the question is asking. Don't be, you are not sitting the exam tomorrow. Don't be so anxious on the second day that what you are going to write about, in the main paper. I'm here to develop your skills. I'm here to make you think about the right ideas, and that is why
Mhm.
I've been, speaking for the last 35 minutes that okay, this is way this ice cream brand. I want you to be skilled. I do not have any
Yes.
shortcuts, Sakshi. Trust me, and that's why I have not been able to adjust in many companies that I've worked for,
No,
and
no,
that's
sir.
why I have to.
I'm in the fully trust. I'm fully trust on you. So that's not the thing. What I was thinking, I just explained simply. That's nothing other
Do
thing
you
in
know?
my
Do
mind.
you know for how many days did I prepare for the exam before taking it? Can you guess?
Sorry.
Can you guess, as in how many days did I prepare for the exam, as in before taking it? I prepared it. I prepared for it only, I guess, 1 or 2 days, because I had
Yes.
strong basics. I had this thing that okay, a good essay, one paragraph. I read the band descriptors. I read the, as in, requirements and all. I went to the I went to the IELTS website and all, and that's what I did. I didn't go for these formulae. You have to agree, you have to disagree. 70/30. I don't know. They have formulae for English, and that's
Right,
the
sir.
stupidest thing ever. English is a language, not a mathematical theorem that you can have formulae. As in, I can take the name of the center. One of my friends works there, and once I went to visit her, and there was this, colleague of hers, and she said, "IELTS के नए rules आए हैं, वो पढ़ लो." As in, grammar के नए rules आए हैं. Oh, I don't know what she was saying, and then when I saw the, as in thing, whatever the thing was, it was like agreement, disagreement, essay, two agreement points, one disagreement point. Now, suppose you have given this thing to the student, and in the real essay, the student is not able to think about a disagreement point. He is in full agreement with the question. But just because of your wrong advice, that person has been panicked in the exam, and that's how he's gonna ruin his exam, because your teacher said, because his teacher had said that that he had to come up with a disagreement point, and he didn't have one at that point. That means his exam is over. But he could have done very well because of the three agreement points. But that's the thing, no. You have to give something commercial to the student, as in I'm talking in very, I would say, organizational terms. You have to give something very commercial to the student for him to stick with you.
Right,
So
sir.
don't worry. I trust me, as in, after some classes you will be confident about how to, I'm going to write this essay with you. I'm going to make you do the thing paragraph by paragraph. Okay, this is our first essay, so don't worry
Okay.
about that.
Okay,
You'll be
sir.
confident after a week. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Okay, check everything. We'll write the introduction now, and then you will see paragraph by paragraph that how this essay works. So we were doing something yesterday in regard to the introduction. Now, as in the popular advice that paraphrasing, 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 did I not prove to you that it is not required at all? And that too by, the biggest English authority, Oxford. So, see, now an introduction, Sakshi, should be something that will give a hint of what you are trying to prove in your essay subsequently. It should be, let me give you an example. Um, have you seen that movie Three Idiots?
Yes, sir.
Why did the trailer start with that thing? जब मैं पैदा हुआ मेरे अब्बा ने बोला इंजीनियर बनेगा. I hope this was the dialogue.
Yes, sir.
Why did Raju Irani want to start the introduction like this? Why did he not go by the maybe by any other scene, but by this thing only? Why did he want to start with the Abba कहते engineer ही बनेगा thing? Why did he want to start with that only? What could be the philosophy for that?
I think we have some expectations for our future or like what we want. So according to that, we started like from the history and what we have achieved right now. So that's the thing.
Okay, Raju Irani wanted to start that movie with that introduction because the essence of the movie was that, as in how students are pressurized into taking these as in commercial streams, and how their ambitions are suppressed. So that's
Right.
why he wanted to give a start to the start, that how when the life of a person starts, how he is pressurized into being an engineer or a doctor later on. That's why he
Hmm.
chose that starting. So should be the case with your I would say essay, that your introduction should give the examiner the, I would say, essence that this essay is going to deal with this ABC and nothing else. It's not only about paraphrasing, trust me. Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
I'm going to write an introduction for you and then I'll explain it to you. Okay, give me 2 minutes. I hope you didn't mind, Sakshi. Sorry, I think my blood boiled and I was a bit
No, no,
aggressive.
sir, not exactly. I was just, it was like sometime the question arises into my mind. I asked to
Yeah,
every
it's good
teacher.
you asked. It's
Yes,
good you
not
asked it,
even
but
you. I've even asked to my PhD guide that, sir, why is this? Why is this? So sometime he got like why you are asking these questions to me and
no,
all.
you
But
can
yes,
ask me
sir,
any questions. No. I
yes,
hope I
but
didn't
फिर
disappoint
वही
you.
curiosity मेरे mind में ही चलती रहेगी. So it's better to ask rather than just keep it into my heart and then thinking about it.
You are perfectly right in this regard, and I hope I didn't disappoint you. I might be loud, but I think I was not aggressive,
No,
so
no, sir, it was a
disrespectful.
properly fine. No, it's not like that. I'm also a teacher. Sometimes I also get
Yeah.
yelled to my students when they ask something very nonsense. But yes, I understand also that why, because they are students, so definitely there are many things in their mind.
Okay, Sakshi, see. So, um, let's see, as in imitating each other is a human instinct. We cannot suppress it at all. Sorry, I missed at. Imitating each other is a human instinct. We cannot suppress it at all. We try to be like whom we admire. in various aspects such as consumption goods and looks. However, this natural inclination is not indicated by the market influence of any specific area of shopping or living or lifestyle. Let's say lifestyle. Do you understand it? So this
Yes.
introduction will give the idea, will give an idea to the examiner that this person is going to deal with the first of all the disagreement, and then about considering the fact that this imitation tendency is a natural instinct, as in he's gonna deal with the human psyche also. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
So, since we have little time now, we'll continue this tomorrow because I have to conduct a speaking test also. For today, just understand how I made you understand the, I would say, um, thinking part, and then tomorrow we'll start developing this essay further. Okay?
Uh, can't we extend
Yeah.
the class 1 hour and 30 minutes because earlier you said that class timing is like 5 to 6:30 or like
You saw the schedule. I'm completely packed, as in after you have a class at 6:40. Okay, you didn't see the class schedule. Sorry, I showed
No,
it to
no,
you.
oh, that's not an issue. Like in this thing, like it's like sometime I feel very mismanaged. I just like started developing interest and then suddenly the time's over.
But that's
So
the
it's
thing, no
not,
good thing. As in, if I have to do it properly, it's gonna take time.
yeah, understood. So okay,
Okay,
so
let's do this essay for some time. I'll see if I can adjust your speaking at a later time today. Okay, let's continue with this. I think I can manage until 6:45. So, let's. Can I make a call then, as in I can inform the student a bit. Give me
yeah,
2 minutes,
sure,
okay?
sir. Yeah, sure.
So yeah, I have talked to the person. Okay. Uh, So yeah, this is gonna be my introduction where I've given the idea to the examiner that I'm gonna deal with the psychological part and how I disagree with the thing. Fine.
Yes, sir.
And if you can do me a favor, as until the time I write the second paragraph, just count the number of words in the first.
Okay.
सॉरी साक्षी, कोई आ गया था सर।
It's okay.
ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा। Okay, see Sakshi.
Yes, sir.
To begin to begin with, popularity is a very big achievement. As I told you that in order to be popular, you have to be you have to be liked by many. In order for a thing to be well known, a very large section of society will have to buy it frequently. This large scale and regular purchasing is not possible on account of being like others. A major reason for this is that most commodities today are very expensive. Moreover, a very small number of people will be so influenced by others' possessions that they will spend their money just to imitate them. For instance, a beauty product of a famous brand can cost nearly 5,000 rupees. Seeing that our neighbor has it, my mother is going to envy her. Nonetheless, she will not be forced to buy it. Hence, my mother will contribute to neither the sales nor the market position of the product owing to her match the neighbor urge. So, because she wants to imitate her neighbor, she is not going to buy the product, so she's not going to contribute to the popularity of the product.
Right, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
So, did you count the number of words there, as in the first one?
Yes, it was 50.
50. Let me count for this one.
Okay, till
I will count. I'll count. Don't worry. Okay, I can copy paste it. I'll count it through the word.
actually I was doing the same, but I was not able to do that because of the screen is like open
Yeah,
from
yeah,
your side.
yeah. Why to waste time? So here we have 138 words, and in the first one we had 50, you said?
Yes, 49, yes, 49 it was, so
Yeah.
that's round up to 50, yes.
And the next body paragraph is going to start from another reason. So it will not be 138 for sure, but it is going to be around 60, maybe 70. 70 words. So that is why I said because this question is, multi-dimensional. So I can do with two body paragraphs also.
Okay.
So this is how you, okay, follow the band descriptors. Let's see. First of all, task response is relevant ideas, explained
Yes, sir.
and supported. That is what I've done. As in, I've given an example, I've explained it. And then coherence and cohesion, one idea, one paragraph, that is there. That money aspect. Then
Right,
it
sir.
asks for some cohesive devices and all. So to begin with, moreover, and I think nonetheless. Then complex structures. Of course, I have not tried to overcomplicate it for sure. But if you see, I try to make small sentences so that it is easier to understand the essay. But somewhere I have to show the complex sentence structure. So I use this structure, seeing her, blah blah blah. Okay, my stupid computer ones. So seeing her neighbor thing, this is a good I would say
Yes.
structure. Then I have
Last line
neither
is
nor
also.
stru- neither nor structure. Okay, so mostly I will
Yes.
keep it simple. Somewhere a bit complex in order to just satisfy the condition over there, and that too
Mm-hmm.
not too complex. That I you see, if when I was trying to write two reasons in one sentence, I thought it is going to be too long, and I just changed my stance.
Yes, sir.
About the vocabulary, as in if I talk about uncommon terms, natural inclination, then maybe large scale,
Mm-hmm. Possessions.
commodities. Uncommon terms don't mean that they should be ancient terms that nobody knows. Uncommon means that are beyond the knowledge of a regular person.
Right, right, sir.
Fine. So this way we'll develop our second body paragraph and then we'll move on to the conclusion.
Conclusion.
Fine.
Right, sir.
So From as in that will continue tomorrow. Now I'm gonna conduct a speaking test.
Okay, sir.
I
And
think
I've
I've given
also
you like
tried one writing task too.
sorry.
So I have tried one writing task too from the Cambridge IELTS 12.
As in Sakshi, for this month, just follow my guidelines. As in, let me develop the thing in you, and then I'll make you write the essays.
Okay.
Don't do as in if you have watched that video, are you? I hope you're not lying to me.
I have already watched it yesterday.
Where I have explained the band descriptors in detail.
Okay, there were task response, then lexical resource,
Yeah,
and
yeah. As in you have seen that video, no, properly.
yes, sir.
Okay. So let's. Can we start a speaking test now?
Yes, sir.
We'll develop the second body paragraph and the conclusion tomorrow, and then I'll give you an essay to write, a similar one.
Okay, sir.
One second. Okay, let's take a break of 2 minutes. I need to get out of the zone, and then we'll start.
Sure, sir.
Correction here, I would say. Are you writing this down in your notebook?
Not exactly.
Okay, I've made a change if you want, as in I've changed it to lifestyles. Okay. If you are writing, you can change it. If you're not writing, that's perfect. I've changed. I've changed the thing in paragraph one. Lifestyles are written.
Okay.